Hi. So another tourist attraction of Seattle for you. This is Lake Union today. Lake Union is a beautiful lake which connects this side, that is West Avenue, to the Pacific. So this lake area houses several houses, residential apartments, parks and whatnot. There is a bridge too over there. I will show you. Bridge is over there from which people jump onto the lake, and this is the lake for you. Lake Union, big lake, the big expanse of the lake you can see here, and it will be better seen if I turn the camera to the back. That is, to the back camera you will get a much better view of the Lake Union. Before I do so, let me show you this side where the bridge I said was there. There the park is there, greenery. As I said, lot of parks are there. This area is there, and now I will return to the back camera to show you a better view, much better view of the Lake Union in Seattle West. Please see this playful dog. It is bringing back the ball from the lake, thrown by the lady. I'll show you now, much better view. See here. This is how it is happening. Yeah. Oh, she has thrown the ball, and the dog has jumped into the lake to bring back the ball. It's a training exercise for this dog to fetch. Whatever is thrown or told to him to fetch, he will fetch. Just see how in his mouth he is holding the ball and swimming to the shore. This is the dog training. Yeah. Here it comes out of the water, bringing the ball to the master. So these are some treat. Yeah, now what is going to happen? Again, she throws the ball far into the lake, and again the dog has jumped into the lake to bring the ball back. So the dog has caught the ball in its mouth now and swimming back to the shore. See, slowly and slowly it is swimming back. Dogs swim also, you can observe here. And now it is almost out of the lake, coming back to its master. This lady is the master. Oh, wonderful. Again she is throwing. Yeah, she has thrown. And again the dog has gone to fetch the ball. Ball is swimming there, you can see. Yellow one. Oh, caught it in its mouth. Now swimming back. Two youngsters have come near the shore. In the distance, some train is checking along. Oh my goodness! This is not a train, this is a boat, big boat. So we'll focus on that boat now. So the dog expects. Oh, again the ball is thrown, it has gone. It will bring back. Meanwhile, we'll show this boat, which was whistling its siren. This is the boat. And this is the dog with the ball in its mouth coming back to the shore. This is Lake Union for you friends. Lake Union, Seattle, and this is the boat. Huge boat you can see here. It is whistling the siren to mark its arrival on the bay, Lake Union Bay. And the dog has got a treat now here. Again the ball is thrown, again it has gone to bring back the ball, and in the distance the ship is sailing to the bay. The dog is now swimming back to the shore. And people here are going for the canoeing. See, these two people are going for the canoe. Their canoeing exercise, they are going. And one canoe returning to here. So almost everything is happening. Oh, again the ball goes into the lake. It is here. Dog has caught it now. Again returning back with the ball. Here the canoe too has arrived. Gentleman is deboarding, and the other canoe, the person has boarded and gone for the canoe. So both things are happening. One has returned, one is going. It's a beautiful setting, and the AGC building is there, majestic AGC building you can see there. And in front is Museum of History and Industry there, where the American flag is flying. That is the Museum of History and Industry. It's a beautiful setting. This is the bridge, pedestrian bridge across Lake Union, and from here this railing you see, arched railing, here people jump into the lake. Some people jumped just now and they are swimming now here. These people have jumped from the arched railing of the bridge onto the lake and now swimming. These are the boats. Cruise purposes these are used. And this is the Museum of History and Industry. This is a canoe.
But I could.
You see this canoe here. I will zoom in. Yeah, this is the canoe. Our friend is preparing the canoe for canoeing. And a game of rugby is going on. See. So all sports activities going on at the Lake Union Theatre. Can you see the colors of the sky? Beautiful sky. Amazon appears to be a big company here. So many boys and girls are talking of Amazon all the time when they are walking here. I heard them talking about Amazon just now. And here you can see the ducks. These ducks fly and land into the Lake Union here, this side. And there is a ship, Virginia. Ship Virginia docked in the Lake Union Bay. One more boat has arrived just on the bay. See the boat, it is anchoring now. Yeah, people are getting down. This yacht standing here at the shore is a very modern one, very modern boat, and with all facilities aboard, seating, lounging, all things are there, covered as well as on the deck too. And behind you can see the bridge across the Lake Union, and this bridge people throng to watch the lake as also to occasionally take a dip or dive into the lake. It's a fun activity here on the lake. People cross it from the main road to go over to the museum as also to the harbor to board the boats. The seaplane facility is also nearby. The seaplanes take off from there and give you an aerial survey of the Lake Union and nearby areas, including the Aurora Bridge. Very beautiful the entire setting is, and you can spend hours together once you visit this place. Good recreation, especially on weekends. So you can see a lot of rush on weekends and holidays too. Below the bridge you can see the ducks swimming in the lake, presenting a very beautiful picture. And behind on the road you can see vehicles moving about. Zooming it for you, ducks there below the bridge. People enjoying. And the boat on the left corner, which I told was a very modern one. Hope you like this scene. So we'll close this video now. Hope you enjoyed it. And while closing the video, it's a sincere request from me, your host Shekhar, to please subscribe to my channel Shekhar Travel Plus Vlogs and watch beautiful videos, if not subscribed already, of course. And while subscribing, please press the bell button too for all notifications, so that you stand updated whenever a new video is hoisted onto the channel. And watch all videos, like, comment and share. Please try not to leave the video in the middle, as unless you watch till the end, the entire context will not be understood. And below each of my videos there is a super thanks tab. I request you to please buy the super thanks to promote and encourage my efforts for good video making and bringing the same to you. See you again. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye from Shekhar, Lake Union, Seattle. Signing off now.